So my name is Katarina. I am one of the RAs here on campus. I work for Res Life, and I'm about to take you on a tour of one of our traditional hall dorms. This is Carlisle 118, and we're just gonna kind of take a look at what you will get when you come in and see a traditional. Alright, so as I mentioned, this is one of our traditional rooms. It is in Carlisle Hall. The only buildings that are traditional dorms and will have the same setup as this room I'm about to show you are Carlisle, Bell, and Hart. Those are the three main dorm halls, and if you're a freshman, you're guaranteed to live in one of those your first year. So when we come in the room, you're gonna have your furniture pretty much set up just the way you see it now, except you're not gonna have any decorations, any bedding, things like that. You have to bring that yourself. But over here, we're gonna have your set of dressers. You have a shelf up here that you can store stuff on, and you'll have your two drawers down here at the bottom that come out a fairly good amount, so you can store a lot of clothes in there. Typically have more storage in your drawers, which is typically found under the bed because it's the easiest way to store it. And most of them will lock into place if you want to stack them in a corner, if you and your roommate want more space. So on your desk, you're gonna have your chair. In every single desk, there's one of these where you can have cords run up from the floor so you can plug in your stuff and keep it out of the way. Your bed is gonna be a twin XL bed, which is about, I believe, 36 by 80 inches in diameter, and each one is about 6 inches thick. Each one has underneath a great kind of setup, so you can hang stuff from the bottom if you want to do bunk beds and hang lights, that kind of thing. Which, if you want to bunk them, you just got to talk to your RA or RD to get a hold of the pegs, which you'll use to safely stack them. You're going to have a big window in every single room. The way the buildings are set up is so that every room will have a big window, and each one will have blinds, and they all slide this way. So planning with your roommate, if you want the window on your side, you're gonna wanna look at when you come in, you're gonna want the right side of the room. Every room, they're gonna open that way. And then every room also comes with a micro chill and mini fridge, which has a microwave connected to a freezer and fridge, and it's all connected through one cord. You're gonna have a heater in every single room. If you have your window open, you're not gonna have as much heat saved in the room just because it's gonna go out the window. It gets cold here in Maine at night. And then that's pretty much it. Everything's double. Each side is gonna have the same furniture. You only get one of these micro chills though.